What's up everyone, Michael from 2FAS here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up two-factor authentication for Figma. Click on your profile and go to Settings. Now go to Security tab and click Enable two-factor authentication. You need to type in your password. Once you do that, just click Enter and now simply click Continue. You should see a QR code. Now you need to scan this code with your Authenticator app. For this example, I'm gonna use 2FAS, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. Click the red plus button and point your camera to the QR code. Once you scan it, you will see this 6-digit verification code. Back to Figma, you need to retype it right here, so it is gonna be 904802 and click Verify. Alright, now click Continue to Recovery Codes. I want you to focus here, because these codes are extremely important. They can be used to recover your account, and for that reason they are extremely sensitive. I want you to save them on a piece of paper, and make sure to save this piece of paper somewhere safe. As you can see, they also give you an option to set up SMS two-factor authentication alongside, and I would advise against that, because if someone takes control over your phone number, they will be able to bypass the Authenticator app we just used, so just click Close here. Speaking about backup, you need to realize that now with this setting enabled, no one without this 6-digit verification code will be able to access your account, and this may include you if you ever lose your phone. The recovery codes are fine, but there is a more convenient way that is built into 2FAS mobile app. Click on Settings, 2FAS Backup, and make sure Google Drive or iCloud synchronization is enabled. As you can see on iOS, it looks pretty much the same. Now with this enabled, all of the tokens will be saved in your cloud, so that whenever you lose your phone, the recovery process is as simple as downloading 2FAS app on the new device and enabling synchronization with the same Google or iCloud account. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions, make sure to join our Discord server, link in the description, you can ask them there or in the comment section under this video. Subscribe and see you in the next tutorials.